Hello everyone and welcome back to the Finance Kit. As always, my name is Dion, here to push your financial mindset towards a better reality. And today I will give you 5 side hustles for your spare time that you can make money with online. If you're already part of this community and you have subscribed to my channel, welcome back and thank you very much. If this is your first time, however, please subscribe right away for personal finance tips and other money tips in the future. Subscribing is free, doesn't cost you anything, and it does help a lot. So if you're one of those people that have spent countless of hours searching for ways to make money online, guess what? You're not alone. I know I have spent countless hours trying to figure things out myself, and this is why I will show you how to make money online so you don't waste your time. You want some extra cash, right? If so, like this video and let's go. Just to clarify, a side hustle I consider a job or a gig that you can do besides your 9-to-5 job, at least to start with. It is a flexible way that allows you to earn extra money. It also allows you to follow your passion, like I am with this YouTube channel, for example. So, first thing on my list is dropshipping. Been there, done that, and still do it to this day because it's easy money. Dropshipping is an online sales method which does not require you to keep any inventory of the products you sell. Instead, for the order to be fulfilled, you purchase the item from a third party and have it shipped directly to your customer. Sounds crazy, right? Well, I will mention one company that you have probably heard of, Wish.com. Yes, you buy items for cheap and you wait 3 to 4 weeks to get them. Guess why? Because they drop ship them from China for you. So if you're a drop shipper, you don't have to handle the product directly, which means you have almost $0 startup cost. When I opened my drop shipping store a couple of years ago, it cost me $45. A domain name for the website, and a paid subscription to Shopify for 1 month. That's it. The rest was some marketing and advertising costs later on in order to grow the store. Shopify is probably the most famous dropshipping platform that you can build a store on. With an app like Oberlo, for example, you can connect to suppliers of all kinds of products and start selling within a few hours. If you need help, or you have questions about how to start a dropshipping store, reach out to me directly on thefinancekit.com and I will help you out. Next side hustle gig will be blogging. One of the easiest things you can try and get your hands on some extra cash. All you need to do is own a blog, which you can do for free on so many platforms these days. WordPress, Blogger, Tumblr, just to name a few. Post your writing online regularly and monetize it. You must have something you're passionate about. It doesn't matter what it is. With over 7 billion people on the planet, there are people that will be your audience. Once you have some posts up, blogs, how do you monetize? Well, that's easy as well. You can monetize your blog in a variety of different ways. What I would recommend is add some affiliate links to your posts, partner up with brands to publish sponsored content, add a link to your dropshipping store if you have one, create and sell your own products or services. You can also display ads on your blog from Google AdSense, for example, or offer premium content for a membership. So there is plenty of ways to make money from simple blog posts that take what? 30 minutes, maybe an hour a day to publish? It is not an overnight making money machine, but some bloggers who stick with it for at least a year or so, they can make enough money to quit their day jobs. So yes, it is doable. Now, if you're good at writing and blog posting, then consider freelance writing as well. Freelancing is another good side hustle which you can do just by staying at your home. All it requires is your precious time and dedication, because here you get paid for the number of articles you do in a particular time frame. And what you write, it's depending upon the value of the article you write and what you charge for your services. So some of the top freelancing websites that I would personally recommend: Fiverr, ProBlogger, and Upwork. And you can do a lot more than just article writing on those platforms. If you're good at social media, marketing, graphic design, or anything else, I'm sure there are people out there, they need your services. Now, I can't go about side hustle gigs and making money online without mentioning that you can always become an Instagram influencer. Some of you are probably laughing right now, but it's actually really easy to do. As long as you have a smartphone, you're all set. Who said you can't build a personal brand around yourself or whatever you're passionate about? Yeah, it's possible. All you need to do is make an Instagram account, which is free, and start posting your skills and all the cool stuff which you can do. Or maybe you want to post pictures of funny cats. Who cares? Look around Instagram to see how many accounts have thousands of followers and all they post is some generic stuff. Over time, you will build an audience big enough to monetize on. You can easily do sponsored posts, Instagram takeovers, or selling a product on your website. Either way, it doesn't cost you anything to start, and in no time you can be the next Instagram sensation. Lastly, on the list of side hustles you can make money with online is selling e-products. Selling e-products can earn you some extra cash, but it requires you to do some research. And also, you need to invest your time and some marketing skills to really flourish. You can create online books, online courses, and the platforms you can do that on is like Amazon or Udemy. Both are very easy to set up with no cost to you whatsoever. Once you have put the time to create your content that you want to sell, you just need to market it. And you can do that with an online store, blog, or an Instagram account. So as you can see, it all ties up very nicely. And even though those are 5 separate side hustles you can do, over time, it will become one big business that can set you up financially for life. You just need to get started. What are your side hustles right now? What do you do for extra income? Let me know down in the comments, please. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out directly from thefinancekid.com. I will be more than happy to help you. I appreciate you watching this video. I hope you're staying safe. Please hit the like button, and as you know, I will continue to bring you updates as soon as physically possible with working around the clock for you. I want to say thank you if you have already subscribed to my channel. If not, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and that bell notification. I hope this video was informative and provided some value to you. Like and share so other people can see it. And as well, down in the description, you will find links to other helpful videos that you might want to check those out as well. Thank you for pushing your financial mindset towards a better reality. Until next time, stay positive, master your finances, and take a good care of yourself and those around you.